malimtan yung suot ni mong singsing wedding ring na to. Sumamara na siya sa limtan ko ni mo. Muna tagaan yung muna sa importansya.
Sorry! Maayong buntag mga day and mga dong. Welcome back to another episode of Becoming Mrs. Flores.
Welcome!
So, for those of you who are subscribing na, thank you so much, and keep on watching our vlog, my vlog, and please don't forget to hit the like button
and subscribe!
and the notification bell down below.
Subscribe!
So, today, it's Dodong's day off, and it's Friday, so I told him yesterday if we can visit this new place in Dahilayan. Since I'm a fan of Riverdale, and I think my husband also, but not quite.
Riverdale.
Not quite. So we are going to visit this new place in Dahilayan. It's somewhat Riverdale inspired. It's an American diner, new American diner in Dahilayan. So me, Dodong, my best friend, her husband, and her daughter, and of course Mommy, my mother-in-law, are going to check the place out. So join us and see you guys later. Going back to our house because I forgot the very important things na dili dapat biyaan, di ba dong? Unsa galing dong? Dong. Unsa dili biyaan?
Toothbrush.
I forgot my wedding ring. So, yeah, it's very important to us, to me personally. So, we have to go back to our house. Right, dong?
Yes, right. Malimtan yung suot ni mong singsing wedding ring na to. Sumamara na siya sa limtan ko ni mo. Muna tagaan yung muna sa importansya.
Sorry. We're now here in Mommy's place. Fetching her up.
I hope you don't mind that I protect. Dos matong, mato sila ng mga
Hello mga day and mga dong. We are now here in Dahilayan, Bukidnon. So we are going to check the new place. It's called JESSIE'S DINER. It's inside Dahilayan, Bukidnon. So, uban ni kaninyo, uban na kumpana. Dito mo kita. And for those who don't have cars, don't worry because Magnum Express is available. Check them out at Limkit Kay Mall outside. And they have daily trips, Cagayan de Oro to Dahilayan and Dahilayan going back to Cagayan de Oro. So regarding entrance tickets, yes, you have to purchase tickets, especially if you enter Dahilayan Forest Park. So for those 11 years old and above, 100 pesos. 2 to 10 years old, 50 pesos. Senior citizen and PWD, 72 pesos. Plus, yung public or rented vehicle driver, 80 pesos. And when you get inside, you will enjoy the view inside Forest Park. Excluding pa sa tickets yung ride. So if you're going to do rides, you have to purchase the tickets inside Forest Park. So again, if you are going to enter Dahilayan Forest Park, you really have to purchase tickets or else hindi kayo makakapasok. And if you're interested to do the rides, you can purchase the tickets inside the forest park, not outside. So my family decided to just walk going down to Jessie's Diner for us to enjoy the view and para exercise na din, di ba? But if you're not fond of walking, you can just ask the reception inside the Forest Park and request for a free shuttle going to Jessie's Diner. So yeah, pwede kayong ihatid or pwede kayong maglakad. So hello guys, we're here at Jessie's Diner. It's newly open. It's open last August 28th. It's located here in Dahilayan, Bukidnon. So look at that vintage cars with my mother-in-law and Dodo. This is outside the diner. They have gas station dummy plus a whole lot of vintage cars collections. The ambience inside, it's so good, very cozy, very Instagrammable, plus the oldie but goodie American songs in the background, and a lot of paraphernalias like old photos of the owners, mga plaka, guitars, and a lot of things. And if you're hungry, check out their menu. They offer salad, sandwiches, burgers, desserts. They also have french fries, chicken wings, and ang walang kamatayang milkshake. As of the moment, they don't offer any lunch meals, rice meals, or any main courses. If you're a rice eater or heavy eater, especially at lunch, just like my husband and my best friend's husband, you really have to order a lot para kayo mabusog. Especially after all the adventure, after all the rides, diba? Gugutumin talaga. So yun lang yung advice ko. Work on the menu and yun, dapat may main courses na sila na ino-offer. And if I'm going to rate the place, it's 9/10. So yung one, that will be their room for improvement, especially on the food on their menu. So they really have to work on their menu, and I believe they will really do. But so far, it was all worth it. It's all good. The ambience, the place. So if you love adventure, nature, view, fresh air, visit Jessie's Diner, located inside Dahilayan Forest Park.
What we do here is go back.
Bukidnon's first all-American diner place located inside Dahilayan Forest Park. And I made a little research. The new American theme place is owned by Jess Paras. I just want to pay tribute and homage to his family's humble beginnings, specifically to his father, the late Pablo Paras' humble beginnings, which opened his first fuel station in Puntod. That is why there is this refilling station located outside the diner, and then there are vintage cars outside. So yeah, the feels is like Riverdale, so American-ish diner, typical American-ish diner. It's great because the view, the mountains, the fresh air, so super sulit and super worth it if you're gonna travel from Cagayan de Oro to Dahilayan. And then aside from that, if you're tired of doing zip lines and do the adventures, so you can rest and have snacks inside the diner, since at the moment they're not yet serving any lunch or lunch meals, kanang mga main course meals. But yeah, they have spaghetti, nachos, burritos, my favorite, quesadilla, milkshakes, and a whole lot more. But if you have a child with you, or if you're bringing your children, if I were you, you should do picnic and bring rice. Eat it there sa may campsite nila, sa ilang picnic area. And then, if you're hungry or if you want to eat snack after a long day of super fun and super adventure inside Dahilayan Forest Park. So, a friendly tip and budget advice, if you're bringing your little ones and if you're going there with your family, advice ko lang, magbaon kayo for lunch. Bring food, bring ulam, rice, and then eat your lunch at their picnic area inside the forest park. And then if you're done with all the rides and exploring all their adventures, go eat and have snacks inside Jessie's Diner. Because yun, especially sa mga lalaki dyan na ang lakas kumain, especially if sobrang enjoy and sobrang pagod sa mga rides, sure ko, pupulangin talaga kayo. Kasi as of the moment, they're not yet serving rice meals and main courses. So yeah, if I were you, go bring your baons, eat lunch in their picnic area, and then if you're hungry na after all the adventures, punta kayo sa Jessie's Diner. Ambience, view, the vintage cars outside. Number one, first American diner talaga in Bukidnon. Worth it. The view, the price, very worth it. So, yun nga lang, wala pa silang rice meals and main courses. So, aside from that, everything else, thumbs up. So, yun. And yes, that's it for today, guys. My husband's busy snoring na there in the other room. Lumipat lang ako kasi humihilik na. And it's way past midnight. So it's really, really late. Really, really, really late. And I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And hit the bell button down there below para if meron akong new vlog, manonotify and ma-update kayo. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on my next one.
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you.